understand my praise. In my life, you don't understand my pain. You probably won't understand my praise.
Yeah, the devil been trying to take me out the earth since birth. But in the devil focus left, he was giving me the word, Came out the womb, living my mouth suffocating. Yo, I barely made it, you could ask Mrs. Davis. For good reason, getting strangled by demons in tune with the spiritual realm. The higher kept me breathing, cause I was his and they couldn't cheat him. They say I had imaginary friends, but I really used to see them. Ghetto born, ghetto raised, food stamps, Walker Gerber. Exposed to corruption, the drugs, and the gang murders. Baddest luck ever, I led with my left hand. First sign of the zodiac, glad it's all wicked, man. An evil thinker and professional cheater. You didn't want me as an enemy, I'll find a way to sneak you. The praise are higher, I've been on the straight and narrow here. Man, I ain't did a lick of dirt in about 7 years. 7 years.
The crazy things my eyes have seen. Got me down on my knees, Father, please have mercy on me. You understand my pain, you probably won't understand my praise. In my life, you understand my pain, you probably won't understand my praise. In my life,